Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to know how to hoodwink data recovery software, then watch this video. Now the first thing we'll do is open command prompt in the administrator mode, and in the elevated command prompt we will type the command CIPHER space slash W hyphen. Now what this command does is it overrides the deleted data, so the data recovery software cannot access the deleted data. So now if you want to delete the data on the C drive, just press C, and if you want to delete it for something specific or overwrite the deleted files on something a specific folder like documents, then just enter the name of the folder here, documents, and press the enter command. Now remember, this command takes a long time to run. It takes up to 12 hours. So use this command only when you want your deleted data not to be recovered by any data recovery software. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.